is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am at the Lakeside cabin. I'm going to do a quick video tutorial on the television and DVD setup here in the master bedroom upstairs. Now this is a Samsung Smart TV, so you have the features of being able to utilize Amazon and so forth. So once you've powered on right here, you'll be able to push the center button right here, and that'll allow you to have access. So right now we're going to have it exit Amazon, and so now that went back to the AV mode for the DVD player. So now in order to transition and switch, so they have the AV, and if you can use screen mirroring. So if you have some kind of smartphone device that'll actually connect, you can use your phone. Now TV, the antenna is not set up. Downstairs it is, but up here it's not. So you can actually watch things that are available on the airwaves using the antenna. Now in order to get to the smart TV functions, I just pushed that center button right here. Then you can use these arrows to move around Hulu, Prime, Netflix. Very likely that you will need to actually use your account. And so if you have Netflix account, Prime, Amazon, Hulu, Vudu, any of those, you are able to look at that, or you can also go probably onto Redbox as well. So if you have any further questions on using the television upstairs in the master bedroom, you can reach out to us. Number in the office, it's 208-634-0030. And cheers, hope you're having a great time while you're staying here at the Lakeside cabin. And just to get a quick peek, it is a snowy, blistery, it's almost like a whiteout right now. Haven't quite experienced something like this before, but it is a white wonderland here in Cascade. I don't know why I said Cascade. Donnelly, cheers.